southeastern Henry counties. At 10:41 p.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles north of Camden, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Camden, Brewston, Vale, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Mixie, Cruise Store, Ephesus, and Leeds and Bedford Forest State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado